How to get a loan for your cleaning service company. Cleaning companies often juggle staff wages, supplies, vehicle costs, and contracts that fluctuate. Expanding into commercial accounts or upgrading equipment usually requires extra working capital. Our team serves as independent brokers. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we connect cleaning services with DAC because of their speed and simplicity. David Allen Capital works with multiple lenders, which often means same-day approvals and funds within 1 to 2 business days. They also stand by their offers with a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender offers a better term, they'll match it or pay you $500 in cash. If your business has 6 months of history, reliable monthly revenue, and stable bank statements, you may qualify, even with less than perfect credit. Click on the link in the description to apply today and get your company the capital it needs fast. Good luck!